What is up everyone, and welcome back to another K2 tutorial video. So for today's video, we will be talking about another helpful part of the stock information feature, which is the financial performance and financial statement section. This is where it will become more technical as we will be looking at the finances of a company. So let's begin. Let's navigate our way first to the financial performance chart. As a trader, it's critical to understand if stock price performance follows the financial performance of a company. However, stock movement may not be as flawless or predictable as one can imagine. Therefore, our platform combines financial performance and share price in one chart to offer you a better perspective. The blue horizontal line depicts financial performance, while the candlestick depicts share price. If you prefer to use the line chart to display the share price, just go to the top right corner and click on the line button, and candlestick if you prefer to make use of such a chart. So the left axis shows the financial figure or performance of the stock, the right axis shows the share price, and the horizontal axis shows the time period. So in a nutshell, this feature can help us to determine if the share price movement and changes are keeping pace with the financial performance by looking at where the share price is located with respect to the financial value per share. Also, if you're interested to look into different types of reports and period, you can just go to the top left corner and select the period you want, such as TTM, interim, or annual. Let's head on to the next section, which would be the financial statements of the company. This is located at the very bottom of the stock information part of K2. The key metrics and financial statements will show you the company's complete financial information, which you can view or analyze in detail on our platform. For the key metrics, our platform provides many types of financial ratios, such as the current ratio, return on equity, return on invested capital, total assets over total equity, and so on. Additionally, our platform provides a detailed and complete balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement that you may check out as well. Our platform even provides 3 different periods of reports, such as TTM, interim, and annual. Therefore, if you want to switch to other periods, just scroll up and switch to the periods as needed, and the selected key matrix and statements will be shown. Well then, that is basically all the things you need to know in order to fully maximize this part of K2. I hope you learned a lot from today's video. Go ahead and try all of this on your own when you access our K2 platform. We still have a lot of tips in store for you, so stay tuned on our next videos. See you!